welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing this Janet Collection Melt D. And if you want to know how I feel about Miss D, keep watching. Hey guys, alright, so we're going to talk about this Janet's Collection. So I have the Janet Collection D wig and I have the color m.blyg 30. Guys, so I attempted to review this wig before and it was a day where, no lie, I filmed so much that I was rushing because the sun was about to set and I like a little bit of sunlight with the lights and all that stuff. And I was rushing. So it was also that time where I ran out of my wig spray. And I legit did not melt this lace the way I needed to. I went back and looked at my pictures and the editing and I was like, what in the world? What in the world were you thinking? So this wig right here, she looks like this fresh out the pack. She has these nice beautiful curls. These curls might look a little worn because, again, like I said, I wore her and yeah, we had to do that over. So this is what she's looking like, kind of, I guess you could say, with a day worn, if you want to look at it like that. But I'm really loving these curls. So she comes with this lace part, okay, right here. She comes with your two combs, some baby hair. See, I was rushing. I ain't even attempt to cut off these baby hairs. I ain't cut off nothing, y'all. And then she comes with this lace, you know, if you wanted to kind of pull her back to get that effect of pulling her back, you can if you needed to. So this lace, I already know, is way too light for me. I'm going to go ahead and spray her with my spray. My even tint spray. Y'all know I love this stuff. This even tint spray, I got the color dark brown. I also have medium brown. I'm not sure of the difference, but I just bought a backup. But I've been using dark brown. That's my go-to color. If you don't have this spray, you don't need it. But for me, matching it with foundation and powder and all of that, sometimes it's a little tricky for me. So this spray, I just find, really just works wonders for me with this spray. I wouldn't recommend spraying it in your face because it's a little, whoo. So this spray does dry down really, really easily, and I like that. I'm just going to go ahead and put these bands on the back. And we're going to put her on. I would go in with my wig grip, but I can't find it. I have a lace part, like a lace wig grip and a regular wig grip. I like the one with the lace in the middle because with these lace parts, it's good for that. But, girl, I don't know where it is. Let's go ahead and put this on right here. So that's what she's looking like. Yeah, she definitely needs a wig grip. She's kind of sliding. She's sliding on me, girl. Oh, ooh, look at that. This unit is so pretty. I first saw this unit on Cassie That Girl, so shout out to Cassie That Girl because she slayed the mess out of this unit. And she also just did a video with Nizzy's Playhouse too, doing the same unit. So y'all check them out. Check them out, okay? I don't know where my wig grip is. Hold on, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I can't find my wig grip with the lace in the middle. I'm just going to use this one right here because I feel like she absolutely needs a wig grip. Maybe I need to tighten these bands a little bit. How about that? Yeah, that feels much better. Okay. So that's looking really, really good. So what I'm gonna do, this just has that lace part in the middle, guys. If you want, you can turn her, like if you turned her, you can do that. You can do a lot with it. I'm gonna leave it in the middle, and what I'm gonna do is I kind of, actually, I'm gonna turn it like this. No, don't leave it in the middle. We're gonna put it in the middle, and I like this effect right here, like this flip over effect. I like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna just lay it down with a little bit of spray. Oh, look at these curls, y'all. This is so pretty. So because I did wear this already, these curls, like I said, they're not as defined. They're kind of looking a little frayed, but I feel like with units like this, when they start to kind of fray out, they look more natural. Like, look at me. Look at me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just melt right here and right here. Probably not the whole hairline because I ain't doing all that. I feel like only parts that you feel that you are going to see, you know, with laying down. So I'm just trying to get this melt right, y'all. This is cute. Actually, now that I kind of have it in this ponytail like this, girl, I think I might need to melt more. We might need to melt more so we can get some good pictures, because this is the look right here. All right, I'm gonna fast forward this part. So I am back putting down this unit. I'm gonna be spraying and taming as we are talking, okay? Yes, it is a look. I'm really feeling this unit. I just went and took some pictures just so you guys know, and I found that with maneuvering this hair and putting her around and stuff, she gonna get big on you. So if you are not used to big hair, I absolutely do not recommend this unit. But she is very pretty. She is a look, y'all. She's a look. She is absolutely a look. So again, this is the second time that I'm kind of wearing this unit. The first time I tried to install it, it just wasn't working. So I went down with my lace tint spray and a little bit of spray, got to be glue spray right here just to kind of lay it down, and I'm really liking it. This comes with that lace part in the middle. I went ahead and flipped some over because I feel like it looks a little bit more like natural looking, like my hair kind of vibes. I'm noticing that this side is getting a little bit more frizzier on me than these curls right here. So keep in mind, the more you maneuver this hair, she might start looking like this. At first I wanted to go and try to like put her up and do kind of stuff, but then I noticed she started kind of frizzing out. Yeah, that's why this side is looking like that. But I also do feel like with curly synthetic units, when they start to frizz out a little bit, they look more natural. So I like that look. You may not like that look, but I do. This is a synthetic unit. She is absolutely going to tangle on you. She's shedding. I feel like once you position her right, she right. She is right. She right now. She has 1B in the top here. She faded into this nice brown color and then this light brown 30 color right here. So I really like that look about her. This is what she's looking like in the front, and in the back she's longer. So my curls are definitely more defined here in the back than this side. If you notice, this is all frizzed out because I've been messing with it, but this is what she's looking like if you don't mess with it. So don't mess with the wig, girl. Leave her alone. She ain't do nothing to you. Just leave her alone. Set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. This unit is pretty simple. I do recommend, even though it says HD transparent lace, to definitely go in with a little bit of foundation, wig spray, something to match it to your complexion. But for the most part, I feel like she is melted really good. I did go in with a little bit of baby hair. She comes with some baby hairs. I did that just to kind of, I don't know, make it look like I got curly hair growing out my scalp. I like the fact that Janet's Collections knots are not that big. Like they're smaller in the front here, and I'm all for that. Oh, is this a track falling out? We ain't gonna talk about that. I might need to edit that out. You know what? I'm not gonna edit it out. It's a track right here, y'all. It's a track raising up. But this is a synthetic unit, y'all. Sometimes these synthetic units, that's what they do. Oh, she's trying to come all the way out. She is running away. Okay, I'm not gonna pull that out all the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. But I do notice that, honestly, on my cheaper synthetic units, sometimes these tracks so flimsy, they just be trying to run away from you, girl. So just be easy. Be easy. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this. I feel like a 1B will be so pretty. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I like the way the cap feels. It's comfortable. I did, like I said, I sprayed up until like right here just so I could kind of pull her back a little bit. And I like it. I like it. She's a look. Y'all let me know what you're thinking about Miss D. D. With a name like that. D. You better be bad with your bad self, D. Alright, y'all. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.